Running errands in Ghana? Don't worry anymore. Somafour is a mobile app that enables you to run errands in Ghana in a safe, affordable, and fast way. Our services are caring and assistance services. We'll visit your elderly relatives and connect them to needed healthcare. Errand services will buy and send groceries, birthday cakes, supplies to homes, offices, and schools. Confirmation services will provide third-party confirmation video for contractors' work, and personal representation services will represent you at functions such as funerals and marriages. Download the Somafour app on Google and iOS stores and enjoy the convenience of running errands in Ghana at your fingertips. Somafour, send your love home.
Ebusiafo me mama kwa baba SBTV Africa so nim say ban social issues entertainment and sports SBTV Africa program wey your friend Daily Hustle worldwide the only den internet so internet baby awo bia obetimi adjoin me o ti car mo o ye den o enfa na wo odua so o she pum kra na internet wo a obetimi abejoin show ni edi nkomo me po bia obiba show no so a ono no o ye dive o she po ase na emeni ni bedi nkomo na yehu se na eponase no so ete eti se wo baby a wo bia no uti play mo uti hina wo internet nko ade a uti be jani show no so me numbers na good screen so no be so ba so a just send me voice note and I say WhatsApp message and how on free just send me voice note two numbers ni nyina bia by 0244 790902 and 0240 677 898 FM DJ Nyami ti safiri oni abo e channel no so a SBTV Africa the voice of the community me ma wakwaba tap subscribe no so na down no na adoma bi so wo na mia so videos ne de do so pa safiri we hu oni abo channel no so dia enye wo adwuma yo interesting stories content pa ye nenye photocopy ya wo mo video ya eku go fa video baby mba hihim no we one on one life experience out here bebo a say so enye dede keka edi atem ni ade no TCC no pese program we for badwini ba if you want to learn something in life and be here anyway and then me flight number DHW 1642 Concord plane me go straight to UK and before that more UK on the website we can for our website we mamo www.jmillerbeauty.com and also jmillerbeauty.com visit the website we after program no bet me visit actually natural tour na go check more products bia omatete so for freshness near there designer perfumes for feel car ammonia baby abi more relaxing candle near there wax melt near there more lip gloss with 3 pairs nyama bebre wo ho obetimi a check lashes near there obetimi a check website or www.jmillerbeauty.com yanko na mi ko din ko boss mi ma akwa about SBTV Africa so boko there
boko me josunia
nice one udini Mr. Alfred Pakwesi
Adam yes
nice one menya ni ye na me ba cho UK emphasize now
me to Leicester
it's Leicester near the city account Leicester City
yes
me ba manya interview bia Leicester
okay
me pa ni na me ba Northampton or my driver call Leicester
me was over there and Birmingham hover be so
me ba Leicester no me call now say ko share the patients be ni then and I'm bet you ma ho kakra ho quiet pa actually one quiet mum pede de won
there pede de quiet
I see anyway utu kwa ko share UK ache
I check akra
how many years
22 years
hey Donatello 22 years hey
yes
correct sir and then betting sempa
yes
nice one now hey remember back to UK near the Embra Ghana kakra you will be free Ghana emphasize now free
so Ghana me free Kokofu Ashanti region but Yaumo Kumasi but I grew up in Tamale it be number 5 police officer it's you transfer called Tamale it be 2 years near called Tamale And you know, me your Tamale up to because secondary school, because Tamale secondary school form 1, form 2. Me about form 3 no, and you move back Kumasi. And I mean from Kumasi onwards. So me about UK. So pretty much, but I say Mrs. Our Tamale, so even so, me call Ghana cry, I still go to visit.
And yes, Tamale dia, Kaula.
I love you.
Nice one. That's my thing.
Nah.
Three.
Nah.
Okay, nice one. One thing about police, you say transfers and I am different places.
Of course. Because I mean, before I got Tamale, I just said almost my parents was Sunyane. And so we caught Tamale. But I remember when we Kumasi, then of course, and I'm joining more Tamale. And I did 2 years. And literally I grew up in Tamale. Yeah.
Nice one. Yeah. Lifestyle in 22 years ago in Tamale. Now 22 years ago now Ghana.
Yeah. Oh, so at the time, so of course we started primary school secondary school because Tamale secondary school form 1, form 2. We did form 3 and I mean moving back Kumasi. And from form 3 to upper 6, of course I was in Kumasi. Maybe it's a form. Because or secondary school, which is okay in Kumasi. We a form, and I call the service for Tamale Electoral Commission. And you know that's when that there's a period between we a form to Meba Kroma in '98, where I would say I felt a bit lost. At the time I was just figuring out as a you're not really sure what you're doing. So for bare 5-6 year period there. At the time I was just literally I was just hanging around, partying, all kinds of stuff.
Wow.
And so that. Yeah. As I said, I have siblings for a long time ago. I always felt that no school system I felt some echo. If I'll be honest with you, my fun is so serious. I was a smart student, very smart student. At O level, I wasn't serious, and I'm 1. The same thing A level, I passed. At the time, I'm a if I come to university forms, I would have gone to university the following year. But my top forms because I thought some crabbery, that kind of thing. And before I realized this, no delay, I have to find something to do. No, now my grades at the time, it wasn't good enough to go to university. And there was this period where I felt quite lost. I wasn't really sure what I was doing. Back and forth, boys hanging out, all the kinds of stuff. I'm here for a bit. Answer somewhere around 98. I'm saying, me now before I me could school, me say me crabbery. It's almost technique that then I may try to only first year, I don't know about holiday about. I'm that's what me. I was supposed to go. I was getting quite frustrated. And I'm okay, but me first school I call IMS Kumasi. And to be real, the year I'm IMS now, and I'm a DJ student. That's the same year I buy.
Wow.
Yeah. So that's
literally. But now one can see when you saw person.
Oh, at the time. If I'll be honest with you, I didn't really have anything specific. If I'll be honest with you, say, of course, we want to be a doctor. I want to be those kind of things. We all have that kind of stuff. And I didn't really know exactly what I would do. To me, I knew say maybe some Babruchi and Beko School Abruchi. That's what I always felt I was going to do. To me, do hard. Then I'll figure it out.
Then they push you so Abruchi. Then who answer Abruchi
because Mrs. Abruchi quite early, so I was so influenced by Abruchi per se. Those are they used to send us video cassettes near their day, MTV, also money. And to share just a lifestyle and everything else. I said, boys, you know how it is. And so that was a lifestyle and everything else. And to me, I just wanted to come. Just whatever, sure.
90s, late 90s, about 2000, and I broached the Okwana flex.
Oh, no, flex. At the time that or not. Boys, I want for every holiday center there. I bet your boy, I bet your girl. It's I want for flexi so much. To me, when I was even coming, it wasn't to say, me now some bar, maybe Juma, I'm shopping, my Tommy Shada, the above flexi. That was it too. It wasn't to come and stay or anything like that. It was just to come. Literally, it's boys bar. I'm for Charlie. The flex was too much. I'm for bar. Hey, Charlie, Shada here. Boys, they do this, they do that kind of thing. So that was literally it for me. I also wanted to come and at the time that was it really. But I just want to let you know. Yeah.
I see. Yeah. UK boy. First time I open airport.
First, so me originally, it was more like I went to Germany. I went to Germany, and we called Germany, and of course I knew I wanted to come to UK because all my boys were in UK at the time, and this is our Germany, of course, and I made to Germany. We did bear 1 week, or we call Holland bear 1 week, and I came to UK. If you buy UK, of course, me auntie ever had what's for a long time. And one of my cousins, be far me be fee. To be true, UK, of course, well, this why you be near the, it was more of, I don't know, just a kind of mixed feeling. Until I go home and the client so this animal. And to be true, now, of course, my boys will had a time. And to be linking up, those times some boys by not construct and no BIA, offer any amount of agency phone number be. Now I'll do date of Benoit to N9 number. Now I'm address we say go here, laboring job at the time. You put us all hard hats and boots. Or say I only be so will be. Walk pay the then you show up on the site, then literally that's it. And to me, do have Sunday, Thursday, I started working. And of course, working on a construction site. Literally, that's what I did. And that was a system. Maybe if you know me auntie or me auntie what's not much or any at the time and I know two cousins and each and it was a 3-bedroom typical UK house. And a boy so was some tiny chop box room be. It is that room no 3 guys and a share room and a single bed until me quite construct bar. Me do fee be a bed 9, 10 of my bread. One of the cousins or age supermarket be as an adjo or 50 or Saturday 12 into 50 be 11 whole baby. And say 11:30 to me but my brain quite construct myself who you know me say God me should me didn't be other like I don't be your I don't be hustler put it that way. Into remember my brain into na as me train man or no sorry answer what hakoda to be that Charlie bear 5 for baby just living room or be hotel you know what does you up it just sorry quite now so they bear 5 was me sorry next one of Central London not literally by getting to Central London about that was a routine. It was literally hustling. Wow. One time me quite my buy the point some because I buy the point was say me I got this car now my 1 or 2 my back Ghana. Into me friend my buy me auntie so your friend is saying oh me nya dan ma o we are can just say me too. It's me nya dan when I say literally I sure say you are overstaying you're welcome. And I'm so at the time no baby I know nya dan ma night zone 4 those signs another group on baby. It's not maybe I'm here say Central Land is zone 1. It's there one man I'm so okay. Or catch him na that week that I'm cleaning be. And I'm catch a woman so says I'm a pedine so no kind of down for be. Those times I cry dance bar now woman any Diana or some cancer flat be. I want so on the quack Sagana long to Publica not if you near there. If you don't mind. So if you're the man, no, then if you are with me at him because we'll be in town for quite a while. There's no gas, there's nothing. No, so okay, there. Mean Joe advance, got someone there if you kakra until we bet someone near. For about 3 months, no, na mean feel until now me head my petrol boy, so na weekend my painting a card literally until the house was ready for me to move in. Until I say me yes, and I said me plans something about within 3 months, no. Of course, I chose Spana in the works. It's not at assassin. Until when you say no now to 6 months, 1 year. All the sure that has lady cost. It's for better the first 5 years of my life in London, no, it was pretty much hustling. Construct, and then later maybe cleaning jobs back home. Into the maybe Jai construct was there's 2 instances actually. One time I Juma and sites be you lifted some heavy doors be from ground floor to the next floor up. Into one more down, the good be a friend of hoist, almost some construction site hoist be. The guma now back floor. Now me first level. Me to me I'm the actual ho. Me I'm the actual. To me I'm the tree. I don't say man slanting ye. So I was going back for the next one and I don't need 3 goods on. A good in nice part Charlie some weight par. Until me the one I make him literally and I didn't premium and all they did was at the time so no only cat will be new man at the year Juma. And your papa will be new man point papa. Till literally send me for the rest of the day. And that was it. They paid me for the whole day. They say, "Menebu yankebu." Oh no, what they call him literally. No, I said no, Charlie. Second episode is me free. Me combining night cleaning no any constraint. Me pon me call gym cleaning be. Me call me started bed 12 midnight. Me pon bed 6 of course. Matna underground mo. Me found out in line from one end to the next. And with me that bed 1 hour. Take me quiet to the end. Man, that to the end. But that's so bed. Me started my bed 8. They will be do one messy. Next me call. Any other. It's me pon on. It's all night, the whole night, and I'll calculate pretty much the whole day. Because this other day me factoring. It's be jam friends and me platform so my trainer ba. Me host a training ba no. That's a many kum for a split second. I thought say me kamia ato track and so. No, my hair no my hair be kum no. It's be jai construct and I me pay just cleaning jobs literally. It's me start here me call one key job from 5 till 7. Ma call another one from I think say be from 8 to about 10. Ma call me then the main job gym cleaning. It be started 12 ma call past 6. Into for maybe for the last 2 years of my London life no. Literally that's what I did until I left London of course. I moved on to other things because I all along no I wanted to go to school. Even those signs and I'm yes I knew man now my small brother was Ghana at the time. Into me pay university and I'm a half of those are now bad boys but who pay school with your fees, not how to visa, student visa. But to me pay university I'm a half of my fees. Made my small brother because of semi. So on on Kojama to acquire no more fees the following year. And I'm a the whole first year fees. And the core and I'm sorry refuse, and I'm saying yes, and I'm okay, me Jesus can and I'm the come and visit Australia, so I'm from pay school mommy. Just started process no until I was going to leave, go to Ghana and go to Australia. And out of the blue, Madame Fubi I'm in by almost the same time. I'm in for quite a while. And we did that same time. No, the following year, I'm a small brother, so joining me. Into no buy and I'm a money army straight away. Me who saw with me army not too late for me to enter. So my buy a money army. Into not or a small brother, and what is a small brother no army? Into your friend me. Every time say how's the process like? And I'm saying now cry no so me say small town be your friend business took any other and I'm saying time about so when I went to visit him he had a good life. I said when a 1-bedroom flat to be or you're okay and then I mean excuse me what job was being here that the hustle between man no so what do you do no so me a nurse and I'm saying now nurse we then I because me saying nearby we then out me no so master there's a way I'll show you and I'm so okay and or the invest in the phone number mommy and I'm from to the front they call me for an interview. And at the time, you said, "Not recognize it O and A level from Ghana results." No, and that's what I took. To me, the call and I'm say, "Okay, you're more conditional offer." So which of course, the interview went well. And me not this science background, me a business and arts and science. And the two conditions: get yourself a job as a healthcare assistant in a hospital for 6 months. Go to college and do human physiology and health, which is in Ghana, different biology, and get at least a grade C. Ultimately, meet this year. The conditions are you could start the following year. And I'm moving free London. They pay healthcare assistant Juma. We call college once a week, every Wednesday from 12 to 3. Into me, I'm a grade C. I was already working in a hospital setting. Into 2004, when I started university to do a degree in nursing, literally. And to be qualified 2007. Into that is so initial 5 years in London, we took free London to go to uni to do nursing. And so that's literally how initial life no one. Yeah.
That means no and you madam for nanka and you dey go run nursing.
Oh yes. And madam for now probably I would have ended up in Australia because me could chair me vexes our ho. It's me the ska course on chair into university fees ma me near that day I was supposed to go there. But of course I would have gone to Ghana and go from Ghana because now it's being home free has it. So probably and I could do Ghana, so I never knew what was going to happen in Ghana at the time. But it was more likely say I would have gone to Australia if this nursing acquiring MBA at the time. No? And so that's literally that's how I got into it. Yes.
Wow. So with all the hustling up and down, one ticket so compare diamond near the ninja and such when you want one.
Oh, of course. And I can say if I see Ghana and not Nipanye Berfo, whenever sure. And most people were quite surprised. I was able to come in and do all that kind of stuff. And yes, I sure you're very, very independent and things like because let's face it, if you don't do that, who's going to do that for you? You have bills to pay and things like that. And that's the thing to me. I went out there on my own, hustling, control, cleaning job. You hardly slept. And every weekend, boys to the trade and those sides in Africa cool every weekend. The life at the time was more of Juma to party to take off. There was no plan as such. But at the back, I knew you said I had to go to school because meaning say, I'm not me hustler, sir. Whatever children. Into the school thing was always a theme. Whatever children. Into when the opportunity came, and I can say, I would have left to Australia. When the opportunity came, of course, I grabbed it with both hands, and of course, they call him an and yeah.
That particular idea, it looks like from your secondary to university and now tertiary level, no?
Yeah.
And probably now you name the EPC.
Yeah. Oh, I seriously, me and I can say, Abuchi si many soon tem. I was so lost. Into me also school so me Abuchi. O level, I didn't really study, but I got a 1. A level so the same thing, but at least I had decent grades enough. I could have gone to university by the time. No, forms come and Toby. So me Abuchi. From all this, they made a photo of the young say. It doesn't matter. So they continue to do whatever you are doing. Time needs a swan because me mates now mono on my school university straight away. No, crab found job. In whatever and you do whatever you need to do. Time needs to do you go whatever.
Okay, nice one. Okay, life in UK finally. Move fi your call school Juma
and so at the time I didn't know what I was getting myself into. But when I make a healthcare assistant for that 1 year period now before me call and I realized that I was natural at it. Because it's a Ghana no. Now me said now me mail baby or nurse, put it that way. At the time, very late 90s to early 2000s. So I didn't really know. Then maybe I know a nurse. So to us, and I said nurse and Juma, that kind of thing. But when I got into it, even initial stage, even in the UK, when I got into it, no, at me cohort, me group, no, I was the only male, not me, a friend say adult nursing, because not most men about mental health. Whatever, even when I got into it, I was just the only male. But I realized I was natural at it. I'm naturally a caring person anyway. I just realized I was natural at it. I know I got some joy from looking after people and them saying thank you and all kinds of stuff. Yes, apart from say financially, it was okay and I had a career path and everything. I was passionate about what I was doing when I met you. So it was one of those things. Now, yes, I got into it by chance, but it's just one of those things that life will take you where you need to be kind of scenario. I was meant to do this, literally. That's what I realized. And once I got into it, of course, I've been doing this for 14, 15 years now.
Wow.
And yeah. So. Okay, so me started as me qualify as an adult nurse. That means I'm a general nurse, literally. But me not for about 5 years, and me call critical care nursing, and my specialize as a critical care nurse into Miami ICU course, into me a critical care nurse. Ghana, I don't know how many friends say, I don't know. Intensive care, critical care, into yeah, when you are actually very sick, now a ventilator, life support. So those are the kind of patients I look after.
Emergency
yeah, so emergency, yes, we are to the point where you need life supports or ventilator. So machine home and dialysis, that kind of to that level. That's what I do. Into my specializing in that, and I've been doing it for about nine years now. And and of course I'm a child nurse. I've moved up in that kind of field, so that's what I do. I've been quite passionate about it, and of course there are a lot of you didn't have a lot of men doing it. Of course, it was more of a female thing, but now I see a lot of men coming into nursing, and now I see a lot of men.
Wow. Lifestyle UK after we started Juma it's saying lifestyle UK to saying.
Oh, so they me realizes I'm when I actually left London. It's my first 5 years I'm to London there. It was literally just a hustler's life, more or less. And you are around Ghana people, everything is Ghana. And at the time, I didn't realize, but yes, what Abuchi, I don't know how to explain it. What's London now? You don't see that. When I left London and started working, now maybe was around bro for my colleagues here, bro, for everything else, bro. Now we realize I said, oh, it's a bit different. Whenever bro, that kind of stuff.
It's the truth. Ghana for what? Yeah,
because the same circles are, especially in London, because everything around you literally is like Ghana, weekend, Afrikiko, and I'll party with the boys share the style is the same thing. what's the amount pay ye near the yes or ye things of that nature. No, but you don't really get to experience abrochi as abrochi. I don't know. Maybe be a how from from another perspective. Maybe from Brody perspective, and I said bisa. And so I left.
Yancha circles there.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, Ghana 4 circle, Yancha Abrofun circle, come and go with them. The difference, but then Senate is saying.
So also now, but for the priorities are totally different in the sense that only yes, on the Nikrumi, so no or any Juma, or holiday, whatever. And there's nothing like say competition and showing off any animal because Ghanaian cycles is literally maybe no matter what you afford the crowd, sometimes now or the tone also. Over to a Juma or boss, and also see you crano. On a car, it's just a basic car. But maybe I'm going to be a cleaner or bedroom or parking the Benz. And you realize that we are so Obiana in the way, Obiana what they are interested in. Maybe on the car, it's a or take expensive holiday, before be on a holiday in here. No, yes, we are then BBI as any so it has to be materialistic. You have to see it near that day. And you learn from both sides, of course. And you realize that we are saying you go according to your own pace. Don't look at other people and what they are doing. Because will be situation, even though maybe I want to Benz and that's whatever. No, you don't know what they are going through and that's what situation they have. And that makes you realize that it doesn't necessarily mean say because you hold this tag and this status, you should change and live this lifestyle. Wow. And it takes out necessary pressure from there. And I think that's probably it.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Okay, my first time in Ghana actually was after 14 years. It's my first time was 2014. That's when I came. And the free on there, not me bar all the time. Say sometimes every year we come to about twice. The last time me bar Ghana was just before shutdown COVID. We do about 1 week and it shut it down. It's free on me might be from was it 2019 and that's a visa.
Oba flexible brothers in here there. Oba 14 years not brothers in
Oh yeah, 40. I'm out for a movie on. People are married. That me back then, that wasn't even the mindset. So come from the that kind of after 40 years of whatever life and everything else I've gone through and life experience near that, it wasn't even it. It was more I was just happy to see guys. I was just happy to hang around. Guinness let's catch up on life. Literally. It wasn't about that. And most people are doing well as well. Those who are doing well are doing well. Of course, it almost struggle. But generally, it's a mismatch. People are doing extremely well. It be struggle. Yeah, it's a mixture of everything. So when I came back, it was more of I was happy to see them after all these years. So I'm calling Semne, we have a flexing inside, but of course, it was long gone. No. Of course, you can't.
Now, 2022.
No, of course. No. To say no. A lot of people are even doing much better in Ghana than we are doing here. In Juba, it's like people are okay. It's not like those signs. So those are those. I'm making early, maybe a late teens to early 20s, maybe a 20, 21, 22. All the major. Those are the times. But I say they are for people are settled with their kids and they have their lives. People are moving on. People are into big business, big jobs.
Talking about kids, also produce baby on.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Sir,
it's me or four kids. It's me or 4 kids. From 12 to 4 years old. That's the age gap. It's about 2 boys, 2 girls. Yeah.
Oh, nice one. Aside all you outside London, before we break up, I think it's a basic, a life experience.
Of course.
But baby, then I'll catch a bobby or I know about near there, who also planning so about to be so Ghana, or bet me make it an Okano.
Yeah.
But show life, the way I'll call cleaning, going here, construction, they look like more of the youth know what I say, swap. And yeah, once a BB on betting, I be a mom kakra life and easy. But we bring who is how we say be you start here challenge me I won't get money I won't do this I won't do
any easy cry. I'll say this. What's Ghana? That's how we'll be here. I don't know. What cool school when you're be in there. Of course, stay in Ghana and do your job. Because you say now, no, and this is those things you're buying. Time you're buying, now which me the friend is saying, last be a film, wouldn't cut a crana, ubenya Jamaica cry any sign of it. Say no, dear, be digitalized. Into no, ultimate say that idea say, Oba on a visit now, so over 3 minutes, I know man. And say those signs, no. They say Oba not cut a home betro, literally, because for the last few years, no, almost try to say, oh, yeah, ho, that's only cut out chroma here. They will make it so difficult for you to say, crowd to meet. I feel currently down crana, you ever see who on crata, any sign of money on. You might be now, those signs making just like that. And they say, no, be baby, no, and so we shouldn't cut that time. And I, you want a buga nemuno, won't be in the side. New mom, how me a nursing way back, no, to say there's no way we try nursing, oh, chroma, that way, whenever sure. Then times now, which me, no more be now, which me the buga film. Now, unti in the side, into all bad, yeah. Oh, yeah, professional. I said me a nurse, of course. They say, you know, oh, yeah, nurse for Ghana and up so back room as here. Or you pay tier 2 visa. All you have to do is just go on the internet, whatever hospital out there, apply from overseas. If they are happy with you, on a metro, they will give you an employment. You probably be tier 2. Into your certificate of sponsorship. Into with that, you know, they apply for a visa. Back room has there, or 5 years visa. Working visa, Joba. After 5 years, won't apply for your indefinite leave to remain. So far as we stay with that hospital, it doesn't matter which my age background or bear 1 year. If you want to move on to the next hospital, they have to give you a certificate of sponsorship. Then a cover. And to say no, you can come in as to say Bible and say there's nothing like maybe Bible hassle, necessarily man, say connection man or sika and all kinds just unnecessary. You to Ghana you were doing up somebody about holidays when I call literally. You have to come here right. And yes, just those are if you say a brave, or the okra there. Definitely. You hear a lot of nurses. Even quite saying that, I'm saying at least a few Ghanaian nurses be Ghana through the tier 2 system now. Sometimes you can do it through an agency or more home base, and I say you can apply yourself. You don't even need an agency, literally. And I'll back Chroma. I know Chroma say I'm sure you say so. Be a Ghana need have be a nurse. But the point is, and you may be okay, not to say so but it's very, very difficult. Say you be probably who they said man. So I be often said man no more. Nurse, no, you have so much opportunities to move up in that career, and you don't even have to work in a hospital environment. At some point, I was even thinking about joining the Royal Air Force as a nursing officer, and they will take you to be as a flying officer or flight lieutenant, and they are now a nurse within the army. It is challenging. Don't get me wrong. Abafu does change. No, but Abafu, you also sometimes because Obi or nurse, they assume no Abafu no. They are about maybe 70% of the workforce, or even more. When I hope for maybe Africans, Asia, for India, for this annual money, we cover about 30%. About for now, what nursing we change? When but say on the average, compared to other jobs, of course, nursing because you have the opportunity to progress. Into that's literally, and besides, you are secured of a job forever. You don't even have to be just in the UK. So see, if I decide to move to America to work, I can go. Maybe I go Australia, maybe I go Canada. We are needed everywhere in the world. And a Jumano Suscana or Ubejano and catch a in a sense, sometimes me a bit of agency. I say, I can travel to work and stuff like that. Sometimes the highest around COVID time, even though COVID, to us, a cocoa season. Which we call Juma, sometimes £75 an hour. For ICU. Minimum budget maybe at £50 an hour. Typically, one shift, maybe I'm £600. And you must send out all be new tab, which I did that kind of money. And apart from the fact that you have a secure job for life, financially, it's good. Whatever, children. And of course, if you're passionate about it, and you say, oh, I could win because of Scat. But if you're passionate about a job and you like what you are doing there, but don't pay there and you be stressed out. You may be you get stressed. But if you like what you are doing there, if you enjoy your job, trust me, say it's rewarding apart from financial, no. Whatever, children.
Nice one,
Morally,
Mr. Adam.
everything else. Yeah.
Mr. Adam, why how many years in he?
Me 8 years. And you know, my first time in Ghana was 2014. See, that was 2014 was me share something about holiday and madam for me who no madam no a bus driver and also Charlie assist and girl this girl you go like him at the time now WhatsApp crying here I saw me KB 2008 or baby
I don't know the test
oh the test pa Charlie no what's happening me pay there whatever sure like
heavy
yes of course oh me babushos bubbles me so Charlie this guy will like up not the number mommy and they sign out to phone cards all kinds of stuff and we need to go for a while and for some when our life moved on I didn't hear from him for a while but Anna was sending message 3 months to the time so if I be my masters and you know the do you can make contact so do you can offer me now after that day we've not been speaking for about 6 years or so and when I actually saw her and straight away I saw her I knew said literally but before then I'm a small brother I called Ghana I called her no me set up to perfume near some phone go who na on down for the nam and of frame na down for PK this girl there Charlie it be your type you go like her so literally so when I saw her things just kicked on from there when I met your master's call we were talking eventually the first time I went to Ghana was 2014 and we could share in the bush for near that day and I went back again in August and we got married when I met you and to me
then I think sir 2 points here will make you and I say
yeah
now we're good friends around you because one we could change your profession
yes
and two back to my wifey
yes of course because yeah sometimes the friends you have around you they be uncle for say over say the friends you have when I came in my number 4 you now were sort of educated brother men literally most of the guys came from tech Legon GIG those are the kind of groups of friends I had way back in Ghana and to the it's the plan was back obey ejuma akọji CMVC about your masters and that school thing was always there and this guy got admission for here this person got admission for there and that was the thing literally to me oh yeah definitely things to do with ejuma Charlie's agency some job be paid for here or this pay for there it was the same thing that kind of thing
I feel say and can see it now but susupone and then courses
and I make say generally you say listen I don't say
I just like education and answer
education so come home Oba Kromana say oh yeah exposed that of course the people you associate with or circle of friends are totally different when I make sure and maybe you guys are trying to push yourself and so even if you're not saying it because you get influenced by what you see around you when I make sure you're looking at friends all of a sudden you control I'll be social worker, I'll be nurse, I'll be teacher, I'll be this. Of course, you also aspire to get that kind of job. And say that clean control, it was just something to pay the bills. We knew we had a goal. I wanted a career. I wanted something I could get in and say this is a secure job. I had a chance of progression. So for us, that was pretty much it. And the friends I had around me, of course, one got me into nursing, the other one, of course, got me my wife. Oh yeah, of course. Naturally, I just it's natural. When I saw her, I didn't say it was just mutual. Like she liked me, I liked her. And in 2014,
for this also 8 years, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 8 years I don't know. I'm a man be common divorce na we say abrocha warrior and separation divorce na doso o hwe yen to be say what it be and the moment they face
so your friend is saying even though you're right 8 years no, now she was still in Ghana and I was here. In Ghana, be sometimes like 3 times a year. Just before COVID shut it into 2019, and I'm a 4 million buy. It's it's be a buy at the time not or yeah Juma any other Ghana said my friend is saying so banks you close EB. Now she used to work. And she had a good job in Ghana herself. Whatever sure. It's at the time no, she was doing okay in Ghana. So I wasn't in a rush to teach her bring her over. Whatever sure. Juma said nah, she was home for about a year near that. Then so and it's idea they just come. Whatever sure. Did not just before a week for COVID no. And I'm a call in call the buy. Whatever sure. Since he came no. So you buy now me bunny swap where the no 2 years. Into September I know proper school where we call Monday to Friday. Since it's been no, she's been home looking after the kids. Until it gives me that freedom to go out and travel and do agency. It's my limiting me hours for my main job. It's me time to travel. Sometimes we do call Ireland, Krakow, yeah, Germany. That we could be 4 days at the trucks and I'll come. Any other day. You know, we started looking for something part time. What do you mean my food? I don't want her to work full time anyway. If a week to be she will feel she's also doing something contributing. Now at least she leaves home to do something for herself. Let me John. It's something part time for her to do literally.
I actually fear communication. Saying asking like
communication. I think it's a mutual respect. I think at the end of everything, no, I'll say or buy any day. You have to find her physically attractive. It's very important. You have to find it physically attractive. There's or don't know her, and there's mutual respect. When they mention, and you know, the way I speak to her, the way we speak to each other. When they mention, it's there. Into that mutual respect. Yes, I'm not saying every now and again. Yes, we may disagree on something here and there, but we make the point. Say even if we disagree, we say the tone, the way we speak to each other. Yeah, and you know, it's there. But that mutual respect is there. And you know, she respects me, I respect her. Whatever. You know, I don't. Me or so much. Nancyana, I say, well, pin up. We need a few friends here and there, which helps her because in a way, I think sometimes she gets bored and it's good to link up here and there. But enough for too much, no, it does a bit of influence. So because in a sense that we know he will be like, day out, nipa, and sometimes my and you know, sometimes they will say all kinds of and I might make no any say, and I make no say, maybe can't boy, who never sure. And you can be this uncle for the chair, so made my wife a crab, and I said, is not doing anything for me, who never sure. And so far as you're sensible enough to know, say, you're happy in your relationship, you say in your relationship, I don't know. Yeah, hopefully, your money will influence you. Or not there. So far, I've not seen anything to tell me, say, she's being influenced by anything like that. It's not there. Say, she has friends, yes. But she's not the type say Miss Royako Madame for fee and I here and there. Yes, every now and again we may be also on collar the kids play together and things like that. And so far so good. She's not been
family backgrounds no so account on. Ebia so now so ejuma ha no you okay ejuma Ghana no you okay also on at least who support you okay na then time extended family in pull too much one.
No.
Family here.
May you say both of the parents have been living in Germany for over 30 years.
Okay.
Over 30 years. And all Ghana now she was okay. She had a very good job. Whatever job. Or head of HR.
And now their family
and or head of HR and a very good job. And myself, most of my folks were up near that. It's there's not that pressure. Say Chinchina, so yes, and so send you and so send you. It's it was more of me kind of say, yeah, to make sure say yeah, okay, and say yes every now and again we'll be sending mommy this, we'll be sending mommy that. But it wasn't like say Chinchina, be see that mommy nya and that's a that we didn't have that pressure. Me back when I didn't have that pressure. Whatever you say. Eventually you're doing it for yourself and your kids and stuff like that. Whatever because now most sister mom and paying for mobile, they were able to settle a few things here and there. And, when I came in, it was more of bebo bra. Yeah, it was more bebo bra. So I think that was busy.
Sikasema ma ware bebregu.
Oh yeah, and they're true, and they're very true. And say I have friends that I know said they're going through stuff like that. Because Obama on agenda, Obama's on agenda. It's not yeah, but guy be yet, but way back in London. On any year, on free Kumasi, na free Accra. And I'm almost charged on Bessidine, and I dine of course there was a Kusu Kumasi Kusu Accra, and eventually Ungosino Accra. You know, when say a dine will lose dine anyway. And you know, on starting this project, Kumasi, you know, Obe Juma, how Obe friend, ne friend is saying, ne builder, and I say, I don't know, ne foreman was say, it's a Juma need the quality, you quite him say, he's doing because I cried, you know, the enough, the enough of what's now, don't say, ends will lose it, I cried anyway. And you have this kind of relationships, and you know, most marriages for UK. But you know, about most things from the same team, of course, it helps. It really
nice
helps.
one, Mr. Adom. You better someone share with us on SBTV Africa. At least almost share in ano. Almost be film one motivate others near there. Lessons be brewum. You better say. Shout out and a last message we will drop in signing out.
So my last message say, of course, what's the Ghana now? BB, we decent job be a Canada there. And compare connection man be uncle Tieska who be as a because that's kind of more general. Over to take years because that's you can never save that kind of money. To us, that's kind of 5 people Ghana. Over so bad, I was there over for that exposure because so bad. You want to be who this no, and the kind of lifestyle being introduced to over that exposure alone no, it's good. We're like in Albania, but when I'm master school, how that it all helps near there. But don't and Tom with Japadi and as if I say. What the Bible tree. And I'll be remusa, Roman, this side of bar, there's something like connect, Ube Rema, Remu ye, a ball, Obanaso, Unim Krata, Obebre, she said, it's not even worth bordering coming into bar no bunny. But Oma, Omi nurses for Ghana now, Juma qualifier. There's so many opportunities for you to come. Oba, Ube progress, Juma now, Obey no, TKB child, And my friends, one thing I want to say is because me and Tiana meeting in Chemi Bios when you're down. At the time now, yes, I know. Of course, I was pissed. But me too free or now, me I'm time with you. I'm saying, me my crank obey the same thing because I know on no quantity say, on a channel. I'm up for better on my too. By the time now, I didn't understand. If you another 1 year, quite me friended that. But she said, minute year close, yeah, buddies near that.
Don't meet now forever.
Of course. At the end of the kind of at the time, between our agenda, no was say the age my bed 3 months. You know, my bag and I saw them shut up about flex. But yes, me too, you know, be many independent. Yes, I know.
One to the two plans in the society. And come on, you can't go back and be flexi.
Oh yes, at the time, yes, that was it. that was it at the time. But yes,
so move there,
No, and because I say, my motto is in this life, you find yourself where you are supposed to be. Circumstances will push you there. And you don't find that, Ghana, I was meant to be in Ghana. It's me back home, whatever I was meant to be here. It's wherever I find myself, I know that was where I was meant to be. So you try to make the best out of it. Basically, that's what it is.
Nice one.
Oh, shout out Melissa brother Nottingham, but for of course. My big sister London, it's Amanda, and Mrs. Australia, Ghana, and of course a few friends. Anyone who knows me from Tamasco,
shout out to your Olinke Bamushos Bamusis now. Wife.
Yes, if any Georgia Pierre or London, this is my main guy. Georgia Pierre, of course, he knows. Of course. No, to be honest with you, just before I give it to my wife, this is not my wife wasn't the first about linking me to.
George, you're a bad man. Hey, George, you're a bad man.
Well, link me to two previous ones. Whatever, sure.
I know.
At the time, basically, I know a bad driver mainly because of that. But yes, that's a long time ago. But yeah, he's a very good friend of mine. Even up to now, we still communicated.
Nice one. Mr. Adu, you better share a story with us on SBTV Africa.
Of course.
The only internet platform they be beautiful, nice. Yes, really yeah. 5 points. You better not so I mean, I'm the good screen is 0244 790 and 0240 677 and one voice note and answer WhatsApp and frame me because they are course a dose to me with their voice notes. The other can be out there responding. Why? I'm afraid. Madam, I say, Madam, and production team, I say, DJ Click, Sharon, and Atina. Video no next one or video send the doors of party. So when you video one, me subscribe and so I don't mind go on me send the new videos bar. When you be a catch on now for about SBTV Africa. And I'm on best of Mbasunina. Kiki Bis Noir opposite the KFC East Legon or Hobosopa restaurant and pub. So what I say, Friday night live match, Saturday, Sunday karaoke night to the stars, Tuesday Sugar Daddy show, comedy, and as soon as Thursday some more acoustic nights, action or maybe I see a come up until Belande will cry. If you will be able to cry, East Legon, Kiki Bis Noir or action and if only show. So Tua Macramo, Meko.
Welcome to Second Generation IT Group. Hello, my name is Ferdinand Asamoah, Director of Second Generation IT Group. We've been in business for the past 5 years, and we have a lot of clients who have come through the school and they're doing pretty well. We offer 18 weeks of cyber course, which runs for every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And people ask, why Second Generation IT Group? Yeah, we offer different courses in cyber. Cyber is kind of big, so we offer risk management, we offer FISCOM, we offer cloud computing, we offer pen testing, and we also offer Splunk. Courses are offered virtually. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can just join the course without any. It's very convenient for everybody. You can reach us on our social media. You can reach us on Facebook, you can reach us on Instagram, and you can also reach us on our website, which is secondgenerationitgroup.llc.com, the company that provides beyond excellence.
Hi there, my name is Calibos, the really boss with one S. Happy new month to all of you. Welcome to a month of new possibilities. Do you know why life has been made so easy? It's because of TapTapSend. People, TapTapSend is here to make your life easy if you want to transfer money to Ghana. If you want to transfer from USA, if you want to transfer from UK, Europe, Canada, a lot of places all to Ghana. And guess what? When it comes to Ghana, there's no e-levy charge. So, what are you waiting for? Download TapTapSend on Google Play Store and App Store and be ready for exciting offers coming your way each time, every time on TapTapSend.
TapTapSend. Send more, spend less.